So I took a break from actually building out the rest of the orbits and satellites, and I felt I just really needed to get some design stuff down. So I made some progress here, and I really like the way this is heading now. Um, Again, viewing it as an entire thing, it's starting to look, there's visual interest when you're out here at the 100-kilometer level. So what I did just a couple changes. I took the medium Earth orbit and the geostationary ones, and I placed them behind those orbits before they had been on top with the border. And I gave each one a very light. The blue border dotted the slashed border still there, but I gave the insides a very light blue. Um, and it very gently but also very beautifully sets off the medium Earth orbit and the geostationary orbit out here. The other design thing that I did is I kept the low Earth orbit border, which is this white thing. I kept that on top so you can see, what denotes a low Earth orbit. I really like the visual interest that's going on here with the different color satellites. I think what I might do is color them different based upon country of launch. That is one of the fields in that Excel spreadsheet. They do have, where is that? Somewhere over here. So they've got this country of origin. They have both. They have country, organization of registry, and then also the owner operator. So I'll probably do the owner operator and possibly go through and color each one of those based upon that. I kind of didn't want to do that because I didn't want space to be broken up into countries, because I think space is cool and that there really are no geographic borders. But to get the visual interest of the different colors, I can't think of another way to do that. So if I can think of a different way to do that without doing the countries, I might do that. Obviously, name's not going to work. I guess user might work, whether it's government, military, civil, commercial. That actually might be good because that doesn't have geographic borders attached to it, which is kind of what I wanted to avoid. Maybe the purpose. Yeah, maybe one of those. Maybe the purpose or the usage. So we'll see how that works out. But the design thing, definitely coming along. I feel pretty confident that this is going to be a good base framework for the finished design. And, my mind, and you can begin to imagine, because a lot of these satellites live in this geostationary orbit, so you can imagine a whole nother layer here of those nice pinks and purples and blues and yellows around here. So I think the design, for the most part, is solid right now, so it's just a matter of building out the rest of the data for the remaining orbits and proceeding from there.